On my honor, I do solemnly pledge my love and loyalty to Doña Lily Liz Higapatan National High School, henceforth, my alma mater. I shall do my best to hold in high veneration its good virtue which it has brought to me. To guard zealously against any kind of humility. This diploma, which shall stand as an emblem of faith, to keep and vow to fulfill. So help me